Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. We meet again for a new video and a new quality control tool, Pareto Diagram. We have already made a video about the check sheet quality tool. For those who haven't seen yet the check sheet video, please go back to the previous videos. So, what is the Pareto Diagram? It is a graphical representation tool which is presented in the form of a series of columns and which consists of classifying from quantitative data in descending order, from the most important criteria of a situation to the least important, in order to improve this situation. This diagram is used only for quantitative data as, for example, quantity, cost, frequency, etc. Here is the procedure to follow to create a Pareto diagram. Taking the example of recording defects, we first start by collecting the data, the frequency of detection of different defects for a certain time. Here we have for 1 week. Then we place the values that we have collected in a table, just like this one. And then we calculate the percentage of each defect compared to the total of defects, as well as the cumulative percentage. And after that, we sort the values in descending orders. And then after, we established simply the graph with Excel, the Pareto diagram with Excel. We will see in the next video how to create a Pareto diagram step by step using Excel and how to interpret the diagram according to the 80-20 principle. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, I invite you to do so immediately without forgetting to activate the bell so as not to miss the next videos. Thank you and see you soon in a new video.